So very good afternoon, everyone. Today we are here for another webinar here for this week. So we have Mr. Rituparna Sharma with us, who is 28 years old, and he aims to help people dream big and bold while living to their true potential. He is a dynamic speaker and has rendered guest lectures in various educational institutions, training, seminars, and corporate across India. Till date, he has interacted with more than 25,000 individuals. He also manages his family business, SN Refreshments, which is a fast food joint located at JP Nagar. He worked as an assistant professor in Jain University, where he interacted with students on topics like awareness of self-positive mental attitude, leadership, etc. He's also the author of book In the Rhythm of Silence, which got launched in Oxford Bookstores, Delhi. He later launched his Kannada book Life Super Guru, which got the 7th position of bestseller in February 2019. He recently was awarded as the Kannada Sevaratna by the Kannada Sahitya Parishad for his work in the field of education. He is an avid blogger, Win World by Love. He was also the founding member of an NGO called Youth for Parivartan. He has helped many individuals get over depression, anxiety, and made around 50 people get over bad habits like smoking and drinking. He is also a TEDx speaker. He was also one of the jury in Times of India Speak for India finale in December 2019, which was held in Bengaluru. He was the panelist in one of the initiatives of the Prime Minister called Exam Warriors, which is an initiative to reduce stress and pressure for students from their exams. He currently is participating in the reality show called Super Speaker, which is India's hunt to find the best motivational speaker organized by Success Gang. He is currently selected in top 10 amongst 40,185 participants, and finale is to be held in February 2022. So we welcome Mr. Rituparna Sharma here to our webinar today. We welcome you, sir. It's really amazing and nice to have a young, energetic, and dynamic person amongst us. And I hope this next 30 minutes, whatever we are going to share with you, we are going to have an amazing time with you.
And especially talking to all of you all. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and thank you so much for the wonderful introduction. So yes, we shall begin. And before we begin, one thing that I'm seeing is I see a lot of energetic people here in my screen who have their videos on. So it is super energetic and super awesome to see. So for all people who have switched on their videos, do one hi from wherever you are. It is so nice to see all of you all. Good. That is also one of the ways through which I will know if internet is working or not. Good, good, good. I see so many people with full of energy, full of smiles. Very nice. Awesome. Thank you so much. So my name is Rituparna, right? So I know it will be very difficult for you to pronounce the entire name at once. So what you can call is, for now, you can start calling me as Ru, R-U, right? So R-U stands for Ru. So let's say, for example, you want to talk to me, or you want to interact with me or anything like that. First, what we can do is, since there are many people, all of them unmuting and talking will be a difficult thing. So you see there is an option called as chat box there. So there you can type just are you, which means you're just telling, okay, I am here, and are you here as well. Are you also stands for my name, that is Rituparna, which is very short formed into Ru, right? So all of you can see chat box. In chat box, let's see how many of you can type Ru. Let's see. Very good. Anurag has got it right. Right, just give me 1 second. Lovely. Very, very nice. Super energetic as well. So nice. On a Sunday afternoon, all of you all are sitting in front of laptop. Maybe for some of your parents, they would have told sit, then only dinner or lunch will be there. Otherwise, no lunch. Or many people would have come voluntarily. Very good. In the next half an hour, what we will do is we'll learn something new, right? Something that we already know, we will learn that. Before that, whatever I am talking, is it audible? If it is audible, what I want you to do? Simple ways of acknowledging is this. You show me your right hand and you say, yes, I am audible, right? So nod your head and say, yes, I am audible. This also is inclusive to all the parents who are out here. This is not only for kids, but also for all the parents. And for all the students, this is time for you to enjoy. Your parent is also a child, or your parent is also a student with you today. Okay? Very nice. Awesome. Thank you so much. And yes, let's begin today's session. Now, the first thing that I want to be talking about today is something that's very, very, very important, right? So um, I see many people from many, many different sections who have put in their names. So I see a person from fifth. So there is Supeksha from fifth standard. I see Inchara from eighth standard. I see Sanvi sixth standard. I see Kirti A12. I see Briti again sixth standard. Bhuvan is in fifth standard. Many people are from many different classes. Oh, I see Anurag from 10th standard. Okay, so what I want you to do is, again, I want you to go to the chat box and I want you to type which class are you from. So type on the chat box which class are you from, so that I get to know which class you are from. Anurag is from 10th. Okay, because what I'm going to be talking next is something that's very important. So we have LKG. Oh, very good. I think the youngest participant, Nihasvi LKG. Gaurav is from 8th. Sanvi is from 6th. Hemant is from 9th. Taran Tej is from 4th. Supeksha is from 5th. Madhusudana is from 2nd. Kirti is from LKG. Oh my God, we have so many people from so many different sections and classes. Abhinav 8th, Prakhyat 7th, Dhruti 5th. Very nice, yeah. First time I'm seeing so many people from so many different classes. Okay, I will ask you a question. Everybody, starting from person who is in LKG to the person who is in 10th, can answer to this question. To all the teachers and to all the parents here, I want you to give me an answer. Okay, so question number one I will be asking you, right? So all of you are in your respective classes, yes or no? In your respective classes, let's say Chandana is from 4th, Prakhyat is from 7th. In your respective classes, have you seen anybody else like you? That is, in a class, there will be around 30 people, 40 people, 50 people, 20 people. It can be an online class. In this online class, I see so many different faces here. So many different faces means so many different people will be here. So I'm going to be asking you a question and I want you to all to answer on the chat box. If yes, I want you to type yes. If no, I want you to type no. Have you seen anybody else like you only in your class? If the answer is yes, type yes. If the answer is no, type no. Monisha says no. Lovely. So many people are saying no. Anurag says no. Chandana says no. Neha says no. Madhusudana says no. Everybody says no. Are you sure there is nobody else like you? Right? If yes, no means okay, you can do one more thing. No means this is something you can do. Little bit at least, because of these online classes, we are all full of no exercises. So today also another class. You are also learning, you're also doing some exercises. First is neck rotation exercises. Have you seen anybody else like you in your school? If yes, I do yes. If no, you know what to do. Do no? Lovely. Very good. I love Gaurav's attitude. Yeah, very good. He's saying no, 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 no. Very nice. So, yes, I want you to concentrate on the next thing that I will be sharing, because that is very, very, very important. Are we all serious? If you are serious, I want you to have your eyes on me, because next thing that I'm going to be sharing is very, very important and I want you to listen to it very, very, very carefully. Are we all ready for it? Are we all ready for it? Some exercise. Good, good, good. Yes, if you are ready for it, this is it. My dear students, I want you to understand, like you, there is nobody else in your class. Like you, there is nobody else in your school. Like you, there is nobody else in the area or locality that you stay in. Wherever your house is, there is nobody else like you. There is nobody else like you in Karnataka. There is nobody else like you in India. There is nobody else like you in Asia. There is nobody else like you in this entire universe. So many people are there, and like you, there is nobody else. If there is nobody else like you, I want you to understand one simple thing. It is, if like you, there is nobody else, your one and only unique masterpiece, which is so beautiful, which is not there in this entire planet. The first thing I want you to do is, suppose we get a new dress which is different, we go around and we show it off to all of our classmates. No, suppose we get a new phone, our parents get a new phone, we go and we show it off. We get a new book, we show it off. We get a new pencil, new pencil, new pen, we show it off to others. And I'm telling you, sweethearts, I want you to understand that like us, there is nobody else. So one thing we must all do is love ourselves to the maximum, because like us, there is nobody else. And number two, I want you to do one small exercise. This is also, like I told, a class where we learn and we also do some exercise. So this is something that I want you to do on an everyday basis. I want you to stand, I want you to look into your mirrors, and I want you to do this. Right? Come on, all of you, hold your hands, hold your hands, hold your hands. For all the people who have your videos on, hold your hands. Lovely. Hold your cheeks, hold your cheeks, hold your cheeks, hold your cheeks, and do this. Right? That is a very, very, very simple exercise which actually tells you, like me, there is nobody else. And if like me, there is nobody else, there is something I can do which the world wants me to do. So that is I am here, I am unique, I am different, and I am a beautiful person. That is something that I want you to understand. The first thing that we discussed, is it clear? If it is clear, you know what you have to do. If it is not clear, you know what you have to do. So let's see how many of you got this first message right. Let's see how many of the reactions am I getting. Yes means yes, no means no, right? Many people are telling yes, 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 yes. Very good, very good. So many people are doing so many exercises today. Tell your parents to prepare more food, because more you're doing more exercise, you'll become more hungry. If you're more hungry, you'll have more lunch today, right? So the first message was that. Now the second thing that I'm going to be talking is something that's very, 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 very important. Even if you are in LKG, this is important. Even if you are in 10th standard, this is important. Even if you are in 5th standard, this is important. But the message that I'm going to be conveying now is going to be very important. So I want all of you all to focus. And if you're not yet ready, quickly get ready and switch on your cameras. It's so nice to see so many of you. Yeah, it's so nice to see so many of you. That's why. So yes, the second message that I want to convey is this. Always, always, it is very important for us to learn to communicate. What is this communication? Now I am talking. Just now a teacher introduced me and she spoke. So right from childhood, what I want you to do is develop this one skill called as communication. What is it called as? Communication. If you have got that word, for many people, if you don't know what is it, I want you to type C on chat box. Communication means C on chat box. So if you have got this message, that means I will start communicating from today onwards. So type C on chat box. Let's see how many of you got it right. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So many people, yeah. Very nice. I'm absolutely loving talking to all of you all. So one thing that I want you to, Tejaswini, I'll come back to you later. Okay, you can. I'll, for all the question and answers, I will start taking question answers from 12:30 onwards. So till then, I will talk. Okay, very good. So what is this thing called as communication? Communication is whenever you get an opportunity to speak, I want you to speak. Now, sir, in school, if we talk, teacher will scold us. Sir, you're telling us to speak. What is this? What is wrong with you? Now, speaking is whenever you get an opportunity to present yourself on the stage. Now, just for example, if teacher tells you, can somebody read this out for me? Be the first one to raise your hands and speak. If teacher asks, can somebody help me divide the class into two groups? Be the first one to do so. If teacher asks, can somebody do a presentation? Be the first one to do so. If teacher asks, can somebody help me give a speech? Or can somebody give a speech? Even if you don't know what the speech is about, be the first one to take up that initiative, because when you do so, you will learn this one beautiful skill called as communication. And if you learn this one beautiful skill called as communication, you will become awesome in whatever you aspire to do. Whether you want to be an engineer tomorrow, whether you want to be a photographer, whether you want to be a doctor, whether you want to be a teacher, whether you want to do anything that you love, a cricketer, to anybody. You've seen, no, in TVs, how many people have seen in TV, your favorite person will come and immediately what is the first thing they do? They talk. How many of us have seen after a cricket match, what is their presentation is there? When a movie is releasing, what is there? A press conference is there where person will come out and talk. If you want to get into politics, then also what is important? You need to speak, and that speaking is something that I want you to start developing from now onwards. So whenever you get an opportunity, I want all of you all to be the first ones to make use of this opportunity to come on the dais and speak. How many of you are getting whatever I am speaking? If yes, you know what is it you have to do, right? You know what is it that you have to do? Very good. I am absolutely loving the energy. Just give me 1 second. So whenever you get an opportunity, I want you to never ever miss out on this opportunity to speak. So first one, I want you to realize that there is nobody like you. So for that, what is the first thing we learn? Every day, as soon as I get up, what is the first thing I will do? I will hold my cheeks. I will hold my cheeks and give myself one small kiss. Okay, like this, right? Next, every day, whenever you get an opportunity to speak, I don't want you to miss out on an opportunity to speak. Just now we saw Tejaswini, who just took up this opportunity, telling I want to share something, or she had a question or something like that, right? So anytime, I don't want you to miss out on those opportunities. Now quickly, if I give a chance, how many of you are going to share your name and where are you from? If I give a chance, how many of you, just raise your hands quickly? Lovely. There is Chinmay, there's Tejaswini, and a lot more others. Very good. So many people are raising your hands. Well, we will keep this in the last, right? In the after next 5 minutes, we will keep that. But I'm going to listen to all of you all. Okay. I have one more last point to share. After sharing this one more last point, then I will listen to all of you all. Is that okay? If it is okay, you know what to do, right? Okay. Are you all enjoying till now? Are you all liking this class? If yes, right? Are you all liking it? Very good. Awesome. Very nice. Superb. Now, the next thing that I'm going to be sharing is something that's very, 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 very important. How many of you know what is a dream? How many of you know what is a dream? If you just raise your hands, just raise your hands. You know what is a dream means, just raise your hands. Lovely. Many of you know what is a dream. So I want you to focus on this. Okay. So whenever you get an opportunity, whenever you get an opportunity, I want you to dream very, 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 very big, right? So whenever you get an opportunity, I want you to dream very, 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 very big, because like I told in the first point, there is nobody like you. Second point, I want you to start talking or expressing about yourself. And thirdly, I want you to aim very, 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 very big things in life, right? Trust me, my dear students, if at all, if at all you aspire, you aim to do big things, whatever you want to do, it will be possible. To start with, it can be as simple as I want to make my teachers proud, I want to make my parents proud, I want to make my school proud. In whatever I am studying, I want to pursue or I want to get these many marks in whatever work I am doing. How many of you are also doing extracurricular activities? Or how many of you are just after school, you're just watching TV, right? So this is the time I want you to take up extracurricular activities. For people of 10th, I understand. People who are in 12th, I understand. But others, take up extracurricular activities. Learn what is communicating. Learn what is art. Do practice an instrument. See if you can get into a sport. Start you know becoming more friends with people of your area, right? Road friends and all of these people. Start talking more with your school friends only. What will happen when you talk to people, you will learn. And number two, when you participate in co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, you will learn even more. It'll shape you up. So whenever you get an opportunity, I want you to take up extracurricular activities. I want you to see what are the things you can do. And last section, I want you to keep it up for your cartoon and other things. Okay, for your cartoons, for your tvs, for your games, for your tv series, for your new movies that is released. All of these sections is in the end. But before that, what is it that I want you to do? I want you to dream very, 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 very big in life. So three things that I want you to do for sure are these. Number one, I want you to realize that like you, there is nobody else. Number two, Whenever you get an opportunity to speak in your class, I don't want you to miss out on speaking. Number 3, whenever you get a chance, I don't want you to miss out on dreaming very, very, very big in life. And fourth is the most important thing. Now, this is my favorite lesson, and this is something that I want to share. Whenever you get a chance, I never ever want you to miss out on a chance to always smile, because smile is something that will make you very, very, very beautiful. So let's see how many of you have beautiful smiles. Show me all your beautiful smiles, all of you all. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. That's so nice to see. And it is always nice to keep on smiling. Whom do we like to talk to always? A person who is always smiling. Whom do we love to become friends with? A person who is always smiling. Who is one person who looks confident? A person who's always smiling. So I don't want you to miss out on an opportunity to smile always. So how many of you are going to be smiling always from now onwards? Let me see how many of you are going to raise your hands. How many of you are going to be smiling always from now onwards? Lovely. So nice. I so wish I was in front of all of you. All you guys look so adorable, so beautiful, so lovely. Thank you so much. Very nice. Now, quickly, what I want to do is you can lower your hands. You can lower your hands. What I want to do is I want to come back to the second point and I want to listen to a few of you. So what I want you to do is this. I want you to share your name. Lovely. I see Tejaswini writing, I like your classes. Thank you so much. I love this class, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to raise your hands. When you raise your hands, I'm going to call out your name. When I call out your name, I want you to share your name, one big dream of yours, whatever you want to be, right? One big dream of yours, whatever it is. Okay. So two things only: your name, your class, and one big dream of yours. Or what is one thing you learned from today, right? One of these two is what I want you to share. And maximum 5 seconds is what I want to take of yours. And then let's see who's going to start first. Okay. Tejaswini, you can unmute and speak. You're not alone, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my name is Tejaswini. My class, I'm studying in 4th B. And my dream is, sir, I want to be a sports of kabaddi.
Lovely. Now that Pro Kabaddi League is coming, you want to play the sport Kabaddi. Very nice. Awesome. All the very best to you. And all of you all, you see that there is another icon there which says like this clap icon, right? So, which means that you are supporting your classmates. Yeah, lovely. Nihasvi got it. Yukta got it. Oh, so many of you got it right. Very nice. So, you are supporting your classmate. Very nice. Now, who wants to share next? Yes, I see the name Asha here, but I don't know what's your name. Yes, the one with green shirt. Go ahead.
Sir, my name is Chinmay Santosh. I'm studying in 4th standard B section. I want to be a big cuber, sir.
Oh, wow. That's so nice. You only solved it.
Yes, sir.
All the very best, dear. Best wishes to you. So, what is it all of you all have to do? Very good. Awesome. So, if there is anybody here who has never spoken till date, who is very shy to speak, today I want you to raise your hands and speak. Okay. Very good. So, next I see Chinmay. Yes, Chinmay. Chinmay?
Chinmay, I've unmuted you, dear. I think some audio issues from Chinmay's end.
Bhuvan.
My name is Bhuvan Hegde. I am studying in 5th standard B section and I want to be a champion of cycling.
Wow, you want to be a champion of cycling? That's so nice. What cycle you have now?
My own cycle.
Very good. Awesome. So awesome. All the very best. Become the best in whatever you want to do. Okay. So what is it that all of
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Awesome. What is it that all of you all have to do? Very nice. Very nice. So nice to be listening to all of you all. Dhruti, yes, I see Dhruti raising her hands. Yes, Dhruti.
Sir, my
Speak.
name is Dhruti. My class is fifth. My section is yes, sir. I have to be a doctor.
Oh, you want to be a doctor? That's so nice, Dhruti. All the very best. Maybe I'll
Thank you.
just come to you one day, and if I'm not feeling well, and that day you should cure me, okay? Yeah. Very nice. Awesome. It's so nice to see. So there are so many people raising their hands. What you can do is you can just go to the chat box and you can type what is it that you want to be. Now we can't listen to everybody. So I want you to type what is it that you want to be on the chat box. I'll read that out. And then we will move to the question and answer session. Okay. So let's see how many of you, what do you want to be? Go to the chat box and write. Neha Shinde types CA. Lovely. You want to be a chartered accountant. Vishal wants to be in an army. So nice. Briti wants to be a doctor. My dear God. So many people with so many beautiful, beautiful dreams. Nihasvi wants to be a doctor. Bhuvan wants to be a cycler. My God. Satvik wants to be a scientist. Nikhil wants to be a judge. Nidhi wants to be a teacher. My God, yeah, I want to meet all of you all just to click on selfie with all of you all. So many big celebrities are on their way here. Medicine doctor. Name is Madhusudana. You want to be a teacher? You want to be a motivation teacher? Where is Krishnaveni? Krishnaveni, very nice. Awesome. You and I wanted to be that, right? That's so nice. Pooja, I want to be a doctor. Sanvi wants to be a doctor. Oh my God. Holy child, medical college, we have to make it. So many people who wants to be doctors here. That's so nice. Srishri wants to be a judge. My God. So what is it that all of you all have to do for yourself? Give yourself a round of applause. All of you are wonderful. Give yourself a round of applause. Very nice. So nice. You're so inspiring. Anurag wants to be an entrepreneur here. Lovely. So nice. You want to be an entrepreneur. You want to change lives. You want to start a business. That's so nice. Yeah. Very, very good. Awesome. So when all of these things come together, I want, oh, lovely. Tejaswini again. That's so nice. Right. Good art. Yeah. But I want all of you all to focus on next thing that I'm sharing. It's very important. When you realize that like you, there is nobody else, when you get this power to communicate, when you have big dreams, and when you keep on smiling during all of the situations, whether things are tough or things are easy, during those times, I will surely tell you, you will be incredible because you will be able to face anything in world. You will be absolutely brave. You'll be absolutely strong. And all those cartoons that we used to see, all of those beams, strength, all of the power to do anything to the world will be absolutely yours. I want you to all to say now, quickly, loudly from wherever you are. Okay. I know all of you are muted, but that whatever you shout should be audible to all of your house people. Okay. So whatever you do, I want you to tell this to yourself. I am, repeat after me. I am incredible. Right. So I want all of you all to be super duper incredible, which you already are. Make it very big in life. Very soon I will come to your school. I want selfie with all of you all. You guys are so beautiful, so nice. I want autograph from all of you all. There is somebody who's typing robotic engineering. Somebody wants to be a lawn tennis player. So many doctors are on their way. My God, yeah. Quickly, I want selfie from all of you all before anybody else takes a picture or autograph from all of you all. That's so nice. Awesome. So, ma'am, we can open up for question and answers.
Yeah, so students, you can raise your hands, whoever wants to ask question, so that I'll unmute you.
Anybody has any questions, you can ask me questions. Otherwise, if you want to share something, you can also raise your hands and you can share something.
Yeah,
If
even
you
parents, you have any questions, you can interact with our Ritu.
Yeah. Chinmay, I think.
Sir, what is your big dream, sir?
Thank you so much for asking me. So sweet. So my big dream is I want to travel around the world to just say that you are incredible. Everybody is incredible is what I want to travel. I want to inspire the world. Like somebody told, I want to be a motivational speaker. Even I want to be a motivational speaker who inspires the world. So if you like,
You already are, I must say. So next we have Bhuvan Egde.
yes, Bhuvan.
Sir, what do you want to be?
I told no just now.
That.
I am a teacher. I want to be a teacher and I want to go to all classes. Tomorrow to you, to your children also, I only want to be a teacher who will tell you you are incredible.
Okay, next we have Tejaswini.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes,
Sir, what is your name, sir?
my name is Rituparna Sharma. You can call me Ru. All of you can call me Ru. I told no, half name is okay.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Yeah.
So any other last question so that we are going on with the time. So if any last question we can take up.
Any question from any parents, anything you can ask. Otherwise,
Okay, I have a question. So the last question is from my end. So Ru, I want to say, who was your inspiration and what made you, feel that you should become an inspiration person?
for me, I've always had this one big dream, which is again, thank you for this question. It's relevant to all students only here. So one thing that I badly wanted to do was, I wanted to do something through which I wanted to make my parents proud. So this is one such aspiration that I started off with. Why? Because all of us have to understand our parents work. After working so much, at the end of the day, whatever we demand, not every time, but most of the times, whatever we demand, right? From starting from chocolates to books to new clothes to everything we ask for is being supplied to us. Then after that, wherever we want to go, after lots of demand, yes, we are being taken care of. At the end of the day, we have not done anything, but our parents do so much for us, even when you are not feeling well. I think that is the day, one day I felt whatever it is, whatever I do, I want to make my parents very, 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 very proud. Secondly, I started seeing everybody. And when I started seeing everybody, one thing I realized was everybody are unique, everybody are different, but nobody are getting this message. So I thought, why not we travel around and tell we are unique, we are different. And one thing that is possible from us is we can actually dream very, 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 very big. So two things. One, I want to dream very big. Two, I want to make my parents very, very, very proud. And with this, I started off. If not anything today, all of us are here because of our parents only. So can we do something through which we make them super duper proud? We might many of the times tell what teacher says you will not understand to parents. Many of the times we might go to parents, tell you are not in this generation, you will not understand. But at the end of the day, I want you to also understand they love you so much. So for all the love you get from your teachers, for all the love you get from your parents, can you make them super proud? With this one intention is what even I began with. And today, to an extent, not to great extent, to an extent is where I have reached. Where am I from? I am from Bangalore only. Pakka local Bangalore boy. So this is how I began, ma'am.
I think it's a great inspiration. You're already a motivated speaker, I must say, where you've already motivated our children and they were also interactive. They really enjoyed this weekend, Sunday afternoon with you. So I think it's a great time with you and thank you so much for being with us. And I hope even in future, you will be interacting with our students. And thank you on behalf of Holy Child Management and all our students, teachers and staff. Thank you so much, Ritu.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Means a lot. Thank you so much, everybody. It was so super special. Okay.
So I must say everybody should put the reaction of claps for Ritu sir here. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'll also do is I'll also give a reaction to all of you all. Okay. So this is my reaction
you
to
so
all of
much.
you all, even heart to all of you all. Right. Awesome. So yes, thank you so much. All the very best. Make it super big in life. One day, if I come to take your autograph, you should tell why autograph. Come, we'll take one photograph with you only. Okay. So do that and all the very best.
Thank you so much.